Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. If you're looking for a dash cam that goes beyond simply recording what's happening in front of your car, the Vantrue N5S is built around a much bigger idea. For channel coverage from a single system, it records the road ahead, the rear of the vehicle, and the cabin from two different angles, creating what Vantrue describes as full 360-degree coverage. The front camera records at up to 2.7K, while the other cameras provide 1440p and 1080p recording, with all four channels using Sony STARVIS 2 sensors. So, is this product really worth buying? The answer starts with understanding what those numbers actually mean in real-world use. A 2.7K front camera provides more image detail than standard 1080p, which can help preserve useful visual information from the road ahead. Meanwhile, having dedicated rear and interior cameras means you're not relying on a single lens trying to cover everything at once. That's especially useful when you want footage from multiple directions rather than just a forward-facing view. The N5S uses four wide-angle cameras with coverage listed at approximately 158 degrees, 160 degrees, 160 degrees, and 165 degrees, depending on the camera. Combined, that creates a broad field of view around the vehicle and inside the cabin. Night recording is another major part of the package. The N5S uses Sony STARVIS 2 sensors across all four channels, with the system designed to capture usable footage in lower light environments. For anyone driving at night or leaving the vehicle parked after dark, having the same STARVIS 2 sensor technology across all four cameras is one of the defining features of this system. And then there's parking monitoring. The N5S supports 24/7 parking monitoring, including buffered pre-recording that can capture the moments leading up to a detected event. Vantrue specifies 10 seconds of buffered pre-recording motion detection, giving the system the ability to preserve context around an event instead of only recording after something happens. What about connectivity? The N5S includes 5 GHz Wi-Fi, allowing footage and camera settings to be accessed through the companion app. It also includes smart voice control, so supported commands can be handled without constantly reaching for the camera itself. Built-in GPS adds location and driving information to the recording system as well. Storage is another impressive number here. The N5S supports microSD cards up to 1 terabyte. That's a substantial amount of capacity for a multi-camera system because 4 cameras are generating footage simultaneously. Vantrue specifically lists support for up to 1 terabyte of external storage. There's also an optional LTE capability. With the appropriate LTE module, the N5S can provide remote connectivity features for monitoring the vehicle, while the LTE module itself is sold separately. Power management is handled with a supercapacitor rather than a conventional rechargeable battery. Vantrue says the supercapacitor design is intended to provide durability and reliable operation across extreme temperatures, with the company listing an operating range from 4 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. Why is this such a popular choice? The big reason is simple: coverage. Instead of choosing between front-only, front and rear, or 3-channel recording, the N5S gives you 4 simultaneous views. That makes it particularly interesting for drivers who want road footage plus detailed visibility inside and behind the vehicle. And the overall feature set is substantial: 2.7K front recording, 1440p and 1080p additional channels. For Sony STARVIS 2 sensors, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, voice control, buffered parking monitoring, and support for up to 1 terabyte of storage. Vantrue currently lists the N5S at around $399.99 on its official store, although actual retail pricing can vary by bundle and promotion. So, if your priority is comprehensive 4-channel recording rather than simply having a camera pointed at the road, the Vantrue N5S brings a very feature-rich setup into one dashcam system. Its combination of 4-camera coverage, STARVIS 2 sensors, high-resolution front recording, Wi-Fi, GPS, voice control, parking monitoring, and large capacity storage makes it a strong option for drivers who want extensive recording coverage. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.